Distinguished members of the committee, thank you for holding this hearing and for inviting me to share some thoughts with you today. While I will speak briefly about the importance of the ERA, this hearing is not a debate on that amendment. That debate is over. We won. The states have directed Congress to amend the Constitution, and now it is the duty of Congress and the administration to get out of the way and remove the arbitrary, unnecessary, and shameful deadline that was cynically imposed nearly half a century ago as a poison pill. Since the earliest days of our nation, women have been fighting, not waiting, but fighting for inclusion in our founding document. From the Seneca Falls suffragists to Alice Paul, from Shirley Chisholm and Gloria Steinem to the inspiring generation of young women and queer activists and allies of the new millennium, we have pleaded for centuries a simple and powerful thing: equality under the law. I want my daughter Bella to grow up knowing she has the same rights as every man in this country, and I want my son Milo and every boy in America to know that too. They deserve a government that cannot treat them differently because of gender. If there is one word which defines the American identity, it is freedom. We call our president the leader of the free world when we present ourselves to other nations advocating across the globe for democracy and human rights. It is freedom which drives that discussion. There are even members of this very committee who belong to something called the Freedom Caucus. But how can we be a free people when our governing document does not prohibit discrimination against more than half of the population?